Okay, so now that you know how to analyze individual student data, I want to show you another place that you can analyze your class's data. So back on the Google form that you used to create your quiz, there are questions and then there's responses. If you click the response tab at the top, it'll give you responses for all the questions. So you can just kind of scroll through the first and last names, and then for each question, it'll give you a pie graph. So you can easily see how many students selected each of the answers and the different percentages of each. So you could easily scroll through and see not only the percentages, but in just one easy snapshot. So you can even project this for the students to see because it doesn't have student names. So it's easy for the whole class to be able to see maybe which questions they were confused on and then have a good discussion about why they chose the answers that they did. So again, when you go to your Google Forms, all you do is click responses at the top. Okay, you can actually, in the same area, turn off the Google Forms so no responses will be taken after that. So if you only want it to be up for a day or two or certain hours, you can turn it off so no other responses can be accepted. Okay, some other little settings that I would just want to point out. Up in the little cog at the top right hand corner, you can check where you only want one submission. I usually don't check this because if the students do poorly, they could take the quiz again. You could add a message. So like I said before, some students don't know that the quiz is over. So you could say, you know, way to go, you got to the end, your response has been recorded. So you can kind of add a message there if you want. At the end, it says to submit another response. If they're typing, they can edit a response. They could see the summary of responses that from their classmates. You can show a progress bar at the bottom to show how close they are to the end, or you can shuffle the question order. Usually I don't do that because I number the questions, but that's just another option. Okay, so again, there's a lot more options here, but hopefully these videos helped you learn how to create a Google form, grade it, and analyze the data. Thanks.